Post number 5.
The boss wondered why one of his most valued employees was absent but had not phoned in sick one day. Needing to have an urgent problem with one of the main computers resolved, he dialed the employee's home phone number and was greeted with a child's whisper.
Hello?
"Is your daddy home?" he asked.
Yes.
Whispered the small voice. "May I speak with him?" The child whispered.
No.
Surprised and wanting to talk with an adult, the boss asked, "Is your mommy there?"
Yes.
"May I speak with her?" Again the small voice whispered.
No.
Hoping there was somebody with whom he could leave a message, the boss asked, "Is anybody else there?"
Yes.
Whispered the child.
A policeman.
Wondering what a cop would be doing at his employee's home, the boss asked, "May I speak with the policeman?"
No. He's busy.
Whispered the child. "Busy doing what?"
Talking to Daddy and Mommy and the fireman.
Came the whispered answer. Growing more worried as he heard a loud noise in the background through the earpiece on the phone, the boss asked, "What is that noise?"
A helicopter.
Answered the whispering voice. "What is going on there?" demanded the boss, now truly apprehensive. Again whispering, the child answered,
The search team just landed a helicopter.
Alarmed, concerned, and a little frustrated, the boss asked, "What are they searching for?" Still whispering, the young voice replied with a muffled giggle,
Me.
That is insane! You couldn't read, you're hiding. What are you hiding for? Okay, post number 5.